Hi, so this is question 23. If 1.5 grams of CaCl2 and 15 ml of 0.1 molar silver nitrate are reacted, calculate the amount of silver chloride produced in moles. Okay, so first off, in case if you're too far away, to do this, I believe if you've watched video number 22, which should be in the description. If it's not in the description, comment is not in the description, so we'll put it there. The link, yes, I would rather you watch video 22, question 22 on this, because it's going to help you understand it even step by step. Now this is the same question here. It's just that this time around, we're asked to calculate the amount of silver chloride that will be produced in moles. You see, to do that, we would need to use the limiting reagent. So we have to find out which of the CaCl2 or the AgNO3 is our limiting reagent. And from question 22, we've seen that it is actually AgNO3. Okay, so once again, for you to do that, your equation must be balanced. Don't get tricked here. You have to put a 2 here before you even start anything. Alright, so calculate the amount of AgCl produced. We know that the number of moles of AgNO3 is concentration times volume, which is going to end up being 0.1 multiplied by the 15, which you have to convert, of course, and that should give you 0.0015 moles of AgNO3. Now this is what you use. You're supposed to compare the limiting reagent, which is this one, to the product. Okay, it's very important. So we can see here that 2 moles of AgNO3 produces 2 moles of AgCl, right? So that also means that if we have 0.0015 moles of AgNO3, the amount of AgCl produced in moles will also be 0.0015 moles of AgCl. And that's all. That is all. That is all, except you want to make it 0.002 for significant figure purposes. That's 1 sig fig because of this right here. So that's also very welcome. It's very welcomed. Okay, I shall see you on question number 24. And then if you're just seeing us for the first time, you're very welcome. And you should subscribe if you've not subscribed, and like this video if you've not liked it yet. And then let me know what you would need help with or working on stoichiometry. So if there's also something that's pressing that you need to really know, you can put that in the comments. So I've been seeing some comments already, and we are going to put it together. Whichever one is more pressing would win, right? Majority always carries the vote in most cases. Okay, so I shall see you on question 24. Are you ready? 24.